No, I'm getting a little older. I'm getting a little older.
Yeah, see, I'm usually calm. You know, when things start to get intense, I relax more.
Something that they want to do. It's a part of their life. It's the family business. And, you know, people have asked me, oh, God, you want your kids in the business? Absolutely. It's the business. I know. What better choice could they make? I'm feeling like I want to get my last good action movies in before my knees go bad.
Look pretty for my Instagram right now.
Don't listen, not
Look
this
pretty
one.
for my IG and get me followers. Thank you.
Delete that Instagram.
No,
Take
this
it
is
over that
perfect.
life.
This is perfect.